viewers, today I want to make chin chin, a tasty and crunchy chin chin. I have here flour, butter, 100 grams butter, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of nutmeg, 2 eggs, milk, and half cup of sugar. At first, I'll be making use of a sieve to sieve my flour. I'll be making use of 600 grams of flour that I'll measure later. But first, I would like to sieve my flour. Of course, I'm using a big bowl to do this and a sieve. I have here now measured 600 grams flour. I'll be adding the baking powder, nutmeg, salt, a pinch, and sugar. Now I add the 2 eggs and mix properly. At this stage, I decide to add the butter I have. I cut it in pieces to allow for easy mixture. Now I mix too. Remember, I've not added any water. We are mixing all this. Mix properly to get still a grainy substance. After adding the butter and mixing properly, I have this mixture here, the flour, milk, and allow mixture to set for 10 minutes. Knead it again and roll it out. Now the halves and roll out. I roll out and then use a bigger pizza cutter. I start to cut. Add some flour to avoid it coming together. So, heat your oil, then add one to check if the oil is okay. You stir continuously. After the frying, I was able to get this quantity, and it tastes very, very good and